XAMPP PHP problem. Why show this problem? Most of the case would use another service. That's why create this issue. So I will change the port number and configure file, then this problem will fix. So again check. Apache is okay. You start Apache, it's okay. When you start MySQL server, and again stop. So this is the major issue, and you can enter your PHP MySQL. I will show you so easy method to fix this issue. So you click this config file and open my.ini. And yes, it's automatically open on Notepad. Now you find the port number. Here, this is my port. So I will change this port number. So this file, there are multiple places they set the port number. Copy this port number and your keyboard you type Ctrl F, means then open the search bar. After open the search bar, increase one digit like 6, I increase backspace and I increase 1 like 7. So find this scroll bar you top set, then you click your keyboard, enter. Here show another, just you backspace and set 7 and again enter. Here the another, you just backspace and 7. Here the again, just you backspace and 7. Again, here the 6 backspace and set 7. Notepad could not find 3306, meaning I already port number is changed. Then click file and save. First work is done. Then second, you can go by clicking this method. See that XAMPP. There is hard process, the shortcut process from XAMPP. You click this Explorer button. Click Explorer and you directly come your XAMPP folder. Then you find this folder named PHP MyAdmin and you go this folder and you again find the config.inc. Select this file and right button click and you can open your VS Code or edit with Notepad. You find this password. Okay, just you copy on line and enter new line and paste. Rename this password to port URT and there you port number 3307. That was my port. Then this file, click and save. My work is done and you close your own file. And here this is my error. I hope now it will connect. After fixing the issue, then I press start. Here this is run. Click retry to connect. Yes, I successfully fixing my issue, PHP MySQL database error. So if you feel this video is helpful, you can subscribe my channel and you can share your opinion by comments. So thank you.